Alexa, turn on the TV light.
Okay.
And today, we're going to show you how to install LED strips to the back of your TV. Stay tuned. Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to take a look at the LED light strip from Yihong, something like that. Let's open it up and take a look. Looks like we have the controller manual. Don't need that. A little thank you note. This would be the LED strips themselves, power adapter, and a few screws. All right, let's take a look. Stand back. Boom. There it is. So this is supposed to be 16 feet. The RGB light strips, LED tape lights. Oh, and compatible with the Amazon Alexa. All right, let's take a look. Remote. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a little arrow right here on the adapter. And on the RF unit itself, there's a little red arrow. So those line up. Boom. It's a little hard, but just push it in. Think you're going to break it, but apparently not. All right, I'm going to plug in the power adapter. Pull the little battery protector off. On. All right, turn on, let's go with white, all blue. I want to do red, green, yellow, orange. So that's pretty awesome. I think there's some routines. So there you have it, guys. You got the remote, you have all the different colors you can set it at. So let's get it set up and we'll try it out. Turn it off. Boom. So, these actually can be cut. There are little lines right here on the LED strip that allow you to cut the LED strip and make it shorter if you would like to. Okay, so be mindful that you have an RF sensor right here with the power cord. So what we're going to do is place this, and we're going to stick this down here with either some double stick tape or Velcro and allow the sensor to hang just underneath the TV so that way it picks up by the remote. Alright, so we're going to start by peeling off the backing, about 2 inches off the edge. 2 inches off the edge should take us, we should be able to go 2 inches off the edge. It should clear this bracket, clear the controls, and clear down below. Alright, so the corners are going to be a little bit of a trick, but what I learned is if you just squish them together like that, again, you're going to squish the corners into a little bit of a 90, stick those together. That should be good. I have a power strip back here that I have some of my Fire TV and the Chromecast. Plug into there, and plug that in. Should be good to go. This will now plug into here, like so. Boom, white. Now click on the Magic Home app. Click Add a Device. It'll prompt you to register and sign in. Go ahead and connect to your home Wi-Fi. Enter your password. And you've successfully added a device. From here, you can go ahead and change the name. Change colors on the color wheel. Change the brightness. And add some custom scenes. You can also allow Magic Home to listen to audio, and that way the LEDs will go to the beat of the music. The Magic Home app also works with the Amazon Alexa. First, you'll go to the Amazon Alexa app, and you'll go ahead and enable the Magic Home skill. Log in. Discover devices, and you're successfully linked. As we scroll down, you'll see the LED controller. Alexa, turn the TV red. Alexa, turn the living room red. Alexa, turn the TV green. There you go with your Christmas theme. So I think I like my favorite. Alexa, turn the TV orange. And Alexa, turn the living room orange. So I think I like that. It's sort of a night light, sort of an orangey, earthy vibe. And there you have it, guys, installing the LED light strips from Yihong. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave a comment down below and tell us your experience with the LED light strips or any other uses for the LED light strips. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you on board. So if you are a subscriber, hit that little notification bell, and that way you're updated every time we post a new video. Till next time, have a great day and peace out.